Hey guys, it's LetYrLiteShine. I got Steve-O. I free play here at the Wildfire and Sunset Station. So, let's go on here first, play, and I'm gonna make sure my card goes in before he puts my card in, because last time he stole my Wildfire, not my Wildfire, Sunset Station free play. And then when we go here, you better not be stealing my Sunset free play, because if he puts my card in first, he gets it first. Now, he did not do that intentionally, but now he knows how it works, so I got to be quick on the game, right? Quick on the spot, quick on it. Anywho,
quick on the draw.
Quick on the draw. That's right. So let's do this. Okay, Wildfire, Sunset, one vlog. Let's go. All right, guys. Steve-O and I are playing some Keno. I don't think this has volume. We're at the Wildfire. I'm gonna do the 25-cent progressive. Steve-O looks like he's playing the multi-card. Are you playing all cards for $1 a pop? 5 cents the card.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
He doesn't know what he's doing, but I know what I'm doing. Well, I'm playing Caveman. No, there's you could go to 25 cents. You'll get all the other ones. Oh. So we're gonna play 25 cents single card Caveman, and I'm going to play that lady's 8 spot.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see how this plays out. Plus my $5 free play that I got it before he did, because he put my card in. But I wanted to make sure my card came first, because last time he stole my free play. Alright, Steve-O's. So the nice thing about Caveman with an 8 spot, if you're playing an 8 spot, is that Caveman you only need 3 to hit. So he's playing this 8 spot here.
Yeah.
Some you need 4 to hit. Excuse me, I needed a sip of my CCK here. We're sitting at the bar, so wine came. Okay, let's go back to the game. Sorry. No volume, I apologize. So we're gonna go to Sunset after this. This is gonna be one video. It's like a mesh of... No, wait a minute. I didn't... Let me activate my free play. It is not activated. Activate. There we go. It's kind of silly that you have to do that. Okay. Thank you. There we go. Nice. So I'd break even if I hit 3. Well, I thought that was a game. It's actually people speeding on the road. That's lovely. Nice.
Oh.
Yeah. I was hoping it would pay off to play quarter, because, you know, obviously I'm playing 25 cents. Usually I'm only playing a penny a card, or 5 cents a card. So if it hits, it's going to hit bigger, obviously. Ooh, 4, thank you. I am now done with my free play. Okay, let's keep going. Curious to try that 7 spot. Let me set that up real quick. All right, let's try this one. I still need 3. Trying to think of a little Cleopatra. Alright, let's try a little Cleopatra with that 7 spot.
Come on, get one more.
Ooh, nice. Why is there constantly people racing down this? It's not F1 races going on, is it? Oh my goodness. Really, Bug? You could have hit one of my numbers. That's rude.
Brutal though.
What's up, big guy?
What's that?
4, and I win 2.
On a 8 spot? Yeah.
It was 3-3 in the third period. I believe it worked, right? I've been watching all the games all day, right? So this is 3-3, okay. I show up 3 hours on my phone. It's scored 3 goals in like a minute. I was like, what the hell? It was like I have yeah. Okay, so. While I was at work, I kept pulling on my bike, like, looking at it. The same thing, I was like, oh, that's work. Yeah. And then I got home, I was like,
Yeah, this one does suck. Oh, I finally got a bonus. I was just about to, like, forget about it. Alright, let's see what the bonus does.
Which one?
Cleopatra, I didn't even realize I got a bonus. I need at least 3 to hit. Thank you. Two. Woo. Alright, I was gonna try.
Hey, Graham. What has 13 hearts but no organs? Come on, Smarty. You're so smart. I knew you would know.
What was it?
Hearts.
Oh.
What has 13 hearts but no organs? A deck of hearts. If you were on the 7th floor, okay, and you fell to the floor, and from the 7th floor and you fell on and you fell to the floor, or walked over the aisle.
Alright, you know what? Let's do something different. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna play 4 cards at 5 cents. The 8, the 7, the 6, the 5. Yeah, you don't have to play all 20 cards.
Oh, okay. Yeah, try one more.
What is the 5 spot? 804 on this one. That's not bad.
Right there. 1, 2. Yeah, right. Okay. Let's see. More games.
Ooh. Darn. I just had a weird thought. Let me try something different. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5. I don't know. Let's just see if that works out. Ooh. What the hell just happened? I didn't mean to. Oh, crap. There we go. Thank God. It scared me. I'm like, I didn't mean to bet 5 that much. Actually, when I hit $10, I'm gonna go to my infamous 10, 6, 5, 4 spot. Okay, I'm gonna change that up. Got the 10, you got DZ6, you got the 5, you got the 4. So we both are sucking, by the way. I'm thinking at the moment I'm gonna do this again and play the safe bet for now because we suck right now. And the thing at the bar is that you can't really play like penny card or anything. So let's play my 4-spot pattern. Not to say that's playing any better. You know what? I think I'm going to go back to... Let's actually try regular Keno. Why not? Let's try that one.
Oh, something good. Oh, the last second. I just got a 3-spot.
Oh, that's good.
Too bad I didn't get it on the on the E line.
I'm going to change it one more time. Alright, last $5. I'm going to play that 7 spot.
Yes, it did. Yes.
And I'll go back to... Oh, okay, I was saying I'm going to go back to Caveman. Ended how I started with that 8 spot. Alright, let's see, the last $3. Can I get something back? Oh, nice. Bye.
She's finally starting to work through something.
Don't jinx it. And don't say, oh, look at you. You're doing good. Say nothing, sir. Say you see nothing. Awesome. Down my last $1.75. Come on. Caveman, don't let me down. Ooh, nice. Multiplier. Nice. down to the last dollar. Oop. Right. Oh, we got another hit. Alright, last 2 hits, I'm done. Oh, gave me gave me 2. Okay, thank you. Oh, gave me 1 hit. Alright, that ends my play here at the old Wildfire. Alright guys, we're off to the sunset. As you saw, that sucked. The only problem about playing at the bar gaming is that you can't play single multi-card 1 penny or 4-card 5 cents. And single card, I don't care for it very much. And I don't care to play only 4 of the multi-card. It's too tempting to want to play them all. So it's like
I thought it was fine.
So if we sit at the bar, we get a drink, but you don't get to play that. So we're gonna choose. I don't know what you want to play. You want to play the bar, or you want to play at the floor area?
On the floor.
On the floor. Let's do it at the floor. Okay, we're gonna go to the floor situation at Sunset Station. Make sure my card gets in there first, and I'll just run to the area. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So I'm set up with Wolf Run first, and wait, hang on a second. Let me just make sure my volume is gonna. I don't even know if I can control it. Actually, let me see if I can control it with this one. I thought I could if I do game info. Boom, boom. There we go. So hopefully that goes good with this one. All right, so let's try. Let me try my 7 spot. And bonus spots. For now. I didn't want to bet 2. Oh well, I'll just play the 1. Alright, let's just bet the 1. Okay, there we go. This one has a little bit of volume, so, and my $5 free play. I nabbed it, so. You just needed 1 more, rude. No, I don't want a picture of that. I just want a picture of this. Oh my god, you could have given me 4. try this one. 5 spot with those being where they are. Let's speed it up too. Ready to switch it out here. Wolf Run, you have disappointed me. Let's move on. Let's play a little bit of this one. And then we'll go to... Oops, I don't know. Are you playing 5 cents on that? I thought you'd play a penny and just play all 20. That was the last set. I just wanted to play the free play on this, but that kind of sucked. So let's do some 4-card. All right, so let me let's try a little caveman. Let's start out. Oh, that's so funny. Someone's. Was that the last time I played? Because that's my game here. That's weird. Let me try my game because that's my play right there. Let's play this one first. Has everyone ever walked into a Keno game where like, wait, that was either I was the last one that played this, which was a couple weeks ago, or someone else was playing my game? Let me try the one I was going to play, because that's not really wowing me. I want to play that 8. Oh my god, no. Okay. No! Card B. Jeez Louise. Card C. Card D. Alright, there you go. I have my stand this time here, so. me forgot to activate my 6x multiplier Wildfire, so now I gotta drive past it again to activate it. It's in the same parking lot, but still, I'm like, darn.
I just hit it off.
Oh, nice. Good job, Steve-O.
I bet my big bet too. Not that big on that 100.
Nice. Not bad.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this back up to Ew, what happened? Okay, hang on a second, guys. I gotta.
That's when I switched to 2 bad. I listened to you and switched from a nickel to 1 cent.
Oh. Sometimes, though, if you're only playing 20 cents, you don't have enough hits. You might not ever hit it.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
That's what I always say when I'm feeling like, darn it, I could have. There we go. I'm trying to.
GTFO right now. If you come out of here.
Oh, that's true.
Come out of here. We're not getting no service.
Yeah, I know. Service is sucking here. We're contemplating doing.
Get out of here. I mean, you want to stick around this fun.
I wouldn't mind a couple ones. So let me just go ahead. I guess we're going to go ahead and quit, guys. We're going to go ahead and. Steve-O has $40.60 on his end. And it's all coming out of my own pocket. So here, let me just play 10 cents. Let's play my old favorite 5-spot 2 times, and we're gonna get out of here. I don't want to bore you all with my situation here. Oh, of course you're gonna give me 3. All right. You can play your.
Play my 60 cents?
Well, it's just going to print out a voucher. Unless you want coins, you got to go to the cashier cage. All right, I guess that ends that. So I'm only down $1 here, $20 at the Wildfire though. Technically more because Steve-O gave him 20, but then he's up. So technically, I don't know. It's like a break even kind of thing, so that worked out. That worked out.
Walk out of here $20. We actually made. We wouldn't have lost that much.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Well, we're ready to go. I'm tired anyway. Service sucks here on the floor. That's why I always bring my own because of this reason. It's very annoying. But I don't need to be drinking anyway. I gotta drive, so we're good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now I gotta drive back to the Wildfire. Why do I have this weird? What is this about? Am I a puppet, a marionette? That's ugly. I gotta go to Wildfire now and activate my 6 times thing off my phone because like I'm an idiot and I forgot to redeem that situation when I was there. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like, share, and subscribe. Bye, everybody.